Japan day 10, Tokyo day 3. Let's do a tour of my room. Actually, I just woke up. Well, I woke up around 8:30 and then I was just in my bed, taking it easy. Gola gola shimasu. And then now it's almost 12. So just relaxing. Alright, let's take a look at my room. Okay, so this is my bed. Pretty, that's enough room for me. And then my suitcase, and then stuff I helped my friend to buy, gifts from my Japanese friends, my electronics, clothes, and there's a desk, another desk, and then my backpack, and then this is stuff, you know, water, drinking supplies. And then there's a closet I can use. So this is mine, my hand carry suitcase, and then my another rolling suitcase that I fit inside my larger suitcase. And then this is back of my dirty clothes, which I'm gonna do laundry today. And then towels, face towel I brought myself, and then body towel I stole from my home in Hong Kong, which I'm gonna return when I see my parents. And then this is another large suitcase, and this is stuff I helped my Japanese friend to buy, so I'm gonna have to give it away to her. And then gifts for my Japanese friends, and this is my stuff, and then these are stuff I helped my Japanese friends to buy, and then my jacket. So yeah, so not too small the room. Well, the room is pretty small, but it's enough for me to put my suitcase and open them one by one. So yeah, by the way, this is D23 Expo bag. Okay, it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I haven't had lunch yet. I'm kind of lazy and I've been pretty much in bed all day. So I'm just gonna open a very nice box from Bernice from Japan. She waited in line for half an hour to get this popular biscuit for me. So she gave this to me in Hong Kong, and then so she got this from Japan, from Tokyo, and then she gave it to me to Hong Kong, and then I brought it to Japan with me. It's a big circle of life. Tape. Don't tell anyone I'm eating on my bed, okay? So hungry. Oh. Thank you, my sister Bernice, for saving me. This is my breakfast, lunch, and dinner. No, dinner I have onigiri that my friend made. I'm not gonna make a mess of it because it cannot be so tight. Buttery, tasty. Perfect for snack and breakfast. Thank you. My friend made me some onigiri. She left it for me so that I can have it for today. Yay! Miso sauce, dashi, and onigiri. This one, Takali-san and I made it. Well, mainly she made it. It's grilled onigiri rice ball with miso paste on top. I'm gonna start with one to see if I get proof on it. It's a bit hot, so I'm just gonna microwave it. Oishii so. smells really good. Okay, this is the microwave. I guess I'll put it in the middle. I don't know how long is this. Wow, it's hot. It worked. Microwave worked. Looking forward. This is my dinner for tonight. Still hot. Steaming hot. This is really nice mikan from Kakari-san. So soft and easy to peel. Okay, moment of truth. I have to trash this orange peel. I hope I get the trash right. I think orange peel is here. Okay, it's 7 p.m., 7:10 p.m. around. So I haven't gone out at all today. I'm just staying here to post my Instagram update and then retouching photos, relaxing. And the main reason I didn't go out today is because I have my Japanese homework due tonight at 12, but I'm kind of procrastinating, so I'm just gonna retouch and relax and retouch more photos, and then in an hour or two I'll start on my Japanese. That's my procrastination. See, I'm retouching photos, not really retouching, just adjusting the light from Hong Kong Disneyland Japanese party. Yeah. So this is one of the photos. I really like it. One of Cinderella is my favorite princess. Okay, after 12 hours of procrastination, now it's 10:42 p.m. and I have about 1 hour and 15 minutes to finish my reading and homework and study. So good luck. That's how it goes. This is a case study. Okay, it's 12 a.m. now. So I'm announcing that I did not make it to the homework deadline. But I will work on it right now, and I think I can be a bit late. So I'm gonna have to finish my study and submit my homework tonight. So good luck to me. Okay, it's 1 o'clock in the morning. I got to the homework part, well, the first homework part, and I didn't know what to write. It's like asking me to complain about my husband, my work, or my family, but I don't have any complaints. Okay, it's 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm still trying to do the last of my homework. It's so hard.